There are many options for transcription software. I've tested many platforms, spent a lot of time, and selected the best choice I want to recommend. I'm making over $18,000 a month with it. In this video, I will tell you 6 secrets that only few people know about, but that makes this service the best in the top 5 transcription software category. I'm gonna leave the link to the official website below this video, so make sure to check it out. Let's not waste time and get started.
What is Buzzsprout? Cloud-based podcast management software helps businesses create, edit, and publish podcast episodes across various platforms. Buzzsprout is available across 4 pricing plans: 2-hour uploads, available for free; 3-hour uploads, $12 per month; 6-hour uploads, $18 per month; 12-hour uploads, $24 per month. Pros: I've been recommending them to other friends who are also interested in podcasting. It's a great tool and I can't say enough good things about them. Excellent program to create your podcast's good experience. I take it. I recommend it. Buzzsprout is a great application where you can start a podcast easily. The application is straightforward to use and we have a lot of tutorials to help you. My organization has been using Buzzsprout for several years with great success. It is a convenient and affordable way to publish podcasts to the internet. Cons: when realizing the necessity of keeping up with today's means of communication, I was very intimidated. If you don't use your space for the month, you lose it. I have lost a lot of money because I don't always. I hated my experience when I decided to leave and switch to another podcast host. Other times it will fail together. This is frustrating when trying to get my cast up and to the listener. What is Twilio? Twilio is the world's leading cloud communication platform that enables you to engage customers across channels: SMS, voice, video, email, WhatsApp, and more. Pay-as-you-go APIs allow businesses to scale communications reliably. Best for businesses of all sizes that need cloud communication solutions in over 100 different countries. Pricing to make calls starts at 2 cents per minute. Pricing to receive calls begins at $1 monthly per phone number and 1 cent per minute. Pros: I like that you can search for a certain number that you'd like ideally, or even just part of it. That is to say, the last 4 digits. For example, the last 4 digits. And it's great to be able to create sub-accounts. Even better yet, they give amazing tutorials on how to use it step by step. I highly recommend Twilio. Generally speaking, we are delighted we haven't had any significant issues with Twilio, and it's allowed us to accomplish our texting needs in Salesforce seamlessly. I would like to say that overall, I love the Twilio product I am using. Cons: it can be difficult to find your way around the website. Even with documentation, setting up functions can be confusing. If there are errors connecting to your infrastructure, it's not always apparent right away what the problem is. It should be known the problem could be with Facebook or WhatsApp, since the Twilio to WhatsApp integration requires Facebook too. My overall experience has been bad, primarily because there is no way to talk with a human. What is Dragon Professional Individual? Put your voice to work to create reports, emails, forms, and more with Dragon Professional Individual version 15. With the next generation speech engine leveraging deep learning technology, dictate and transcribe faster and more accurately than ever before, and spend less time on documentation and more time on activities that boost the bottom line. Best for: do you work with reports, emails, and forms? With Dragon Professional Individual, you can spend less time on documentation and more on activities that boost the bottom line. Pros: I am happy with the software and I recommend anyone to use it. Excellent experience as I could interact with documents, email tools such as Outlook, and take advantage of having a microphone. The quality of voice recognition is outstanding. I don't use a lot of advanced features. What I use is excellent and lets me get the job done effectively and efficiently. Cons: when you had to reinstall because of a computer crash, it was not as easy as it would remember and not let you reinstall, especially after buying the software. Do all the training before using it, otherwise you will get stuck. The setup process is somewhat annoying. Working with the program to get it to recognize my voice makes sense, but I'm wondering if it is necessary. Takes a little getting used to saying punctuation. It also had problems with some medical terms, even after spelling the word. What is Designer? Create ebooks, reports, white papers, and lead magnets to reach more people and grow your audience and revenue. With Designer, you can transform your content, including blog posts, Word, Google Docs, podcasts, audio files, videos, and PDFs, into ebooks and flipbooks. Best for users who want to repurpose content into ebooks, reports, and white papers. Pricing details: Business plan, Standard $29 per month, Pro $39 per month, Premium $49 per month, Business $99 per month, Agency plan $249 per month. Pros: I recommend you get the Pro version. I feel it's worth it. Overall, a great way to get the best results for your ebook publishing without all the hassles. Great! Importing from other sources is a useful tool. Having a bank of images is great. It is straightforward to use and has great features. It includes everything you would be looking to create great digital assets. Excellent experience. I highly recommend it to everyone, especially novices like myself. Cons: I am still working on using this platform. A lot of problems encountered at present are of my own doing. I struggled with embedding pictures for some reason. This was a bit frustrating because my first ebook was a picture guide and my photos were shot on different films and in different sizes. I struggled at first with basic things such as moving paragraphs up and down a page, or I ended up with a double set of table of contents. The worst thing is that if you update a company brochure as I do, you must upload a new document. You cannot replace an existing one. This is a pain because these links go far and wide. What is ELSA Speak? ELSA proprietary speech recognition technology can record and analyze unscripted speech live, giving instant feedback. Beyond transcription, the engine provides feedback on pronunciation, fluency, intonation, grammar, and vocabulary, even predicting scores for users' IELTS, TOEFL speaking tests. Technology with 95% plus accuracy, updated to 100 plus global accents, India, Japanese, Indonesia, Brazil, Mexico, etc., from 25 million plus users. Best for companies in airlines, hospitality, banks, healthcare, KPO, BPO, and other industries. ELSA also offers teachers and schools a tool to engage students and train pronunciation skills at home. Pros: I also love the dictionary and lessons of ELSA. I've recommended this app to many of my students and friends. In 20 minutes daily, I can improve my English easily and interestingly. Well, speaking recognition is the best feature I have seen on the app to get corrected and better understand the pronunciation and spelling of the word itself. The most important function of this app for me is the correct recognition of sounds and the evaluation of how correctly they are pronounced, with recommendations for improvement. Cons: because I feel and listen that I pronounce the word very well, but ELSA sometimes has some difficulties understanding it. ELSA Speaks is limited to grammar and structure of building a conversation. Freezing too often. Sometimes I don't know what should I pronounce better. The big problem is the poor main dashboard, hard to monitor the achievement and development. Nothing special, something the app will be dead without my response, not sure it's an internet connection issue or app bug.